Hello, welcome to this course. In this course, we will learn each and everything to master video editing. This course will cover each and everything regarding video editing, regarding software, regarding different type of editing styles, regarding different editing techniques, editing for YouTube videos, editing for TikTok, everything, each and everything you will need to learn, you will understand in this course. This course is a comprehensive guide to professional editing tools. In this, we will learn different editing software, starting from the free video editing softwares to advanced and paid editing softwares as well. I will cover each and everything from very depth. So you will learn everything you need to learn about video editing. In this course, I will teach you how you can master the art of video editing. If you are complete beginners to this course, if you know how to edit basic videos, but you need to level up your skills and make some quality content like Mr. Beast and other different creators, I will teach you everything in this course. Let me introduce myself. Hi, I am Rahil, a passionate and experienced video editor and a content creator with over 4+ years of professional experience in the industry, having worked on 500+ projects ranging from short form social media videos to full length YouTube content. As an instructor, I specialize in teaching beginner to advanced video editing techniques with a focus on AI powered tools, cinematic storytelling, color grading, and social media content creation. Video editing is not just my profession, it's my passion and an exciting career that allows me to bring ideas to life. Now we will discuss what are the different course content that we will cover in this entire course. So in this entire course, we will have 10 different modules and each module cover a different aspect of video editing. So in the module 1, we will learn about the introduction to video editing. In this module, I will teach you in depth about video editing, what is video editing and how we can start our video editing journey. I will teach you everything you need to learn about video editing. Let's say you have no idea about video editing. After taking this module 1, you will know that what is video editing, why we need video editing, what are the different aspects of video editing. So after this module, we will then begin learning different type of software which are beginner friendly to advanced level. So the upcoming module will cover those different topics. So in the module 2, we will learn about the software called CapCut. This is beginner friendly editing software with AI tools. So in this module, we will learn each and every aspect related to CapCut video editing software. So after taking this module, you will be able to edit your own videos onto this video editing software. After that, we will go towards our third module, which is basically learning another software, which is Clipchamp. And this software is AI enhanced online editing software. And after that, we will jump towards our third video editing software in the module 4, which is Filmora. And Filmora is an advanced but still simple editing software, and it is easier to learn for beginners. And after that, we will learn about the industry leading softwares in the module 5, which is Adobe Premiere Pro, as it is industry standard software. So we will cover the in-depth complete related to Adobe Premiere Pro and why it is industry standard and why most people use this software. And after that, we will also cover about different aspect of color grading, and for that the industry standard color grading software we will cover in module 6, which is DaVinci Resolve. It's a professional color grading and editing software which we will also cover in our this entire course. After learning every software, we will then move towards creating and editing different content. So in the module 7, we will learn how we can edit our social media content. In social media content, we have different type of editing that we need to do for our clients or for ourselves. So we will learn how we can do the fast-paced editing, and also we will learn how we can create engaging videos for ourselves or for our clients as well. In the module 8, we will learn about different creating course videos. That's as I am creating this course videos, so we will learn in depth how I am creating type of videos, how these videos will professionally help you out in your editing journey, how you can earn money from this, and we will also cover the different professional and engaging educational content editing in this module. After that, we will jump towards the second last module of our this entire course, which is module 9, which is AI in video editing. As we know that AI is booming right now, so every industry is heavily relying on AI stuff. We are having different type of AI models that we can use. We have different AI tools that we can use to enhance our workflow. So for editing, there are some sort of different AI tools available that we can use to enhance our video editing. So in this module, we will learn about those video editing AI tools that we can use in order to enhance our workflow. We will learn about the future trends, and we will also learn how we can automate our workflow, or we will use the automation in our video editing. Okay, in the last module, which is module 10, we will learn about the project based learning and course wrap up. So in this module, I will walk you through one of my project, how we can get the project, how we can research about that project, how we can gather the data about that project, how we can do or create the voiceover for our content, how we can edit our content, how we can post our content, how we can export our content, and how we can deliver our content to our client. Or if we are creating content for ourselves, how we can upload, what are the best practices to upload our content to different social media platforms. So in this module, we will learn about all these things, and then we will do a whole recap for our entire module. And after learning all of these 10 different modules, you will be able to do the video editing for your clients or for yourself. You will know that what is video editing, what are different softwares available for video editing. And in this module, as we have covered 5 different editing software, so you will be able to edit your videos onto these 5 different editing softwares. And you will also know that how you can create content for social media, you can create content for yourself, you can create content for different educational institutes or for different educational content, how you can incorporate AI into video editing, and how you can take different video editing jobs from your clients. So all of this we will learn in this entire course. Here is a description of our course. Unlock the power of video editing with this comprehensive step-by-step guide to mastering industry standard and beginner-friendly tools. This course covers basic to advanced editing techniques, AI-powered editing tools, and best practices for social media, online content, and professional projects. Whatever you are a beginner or looking to refine your skill, this course will equip you with real world editing expertise. As I already told you that this course is for everyone, whether you are a beginner, whether you are an intermediate in your skill, or whether you are pro, or whether you are refining your skill. This course is for everyone. Now we will see what are the learning outcomes from this course. So by the end of this course, you will be able to understand the fundamentals of video editing and storytelling techniques, gain hands-on experience with CapCut, Clipchamp, Filmora, Adobe Premiere Pro, and DaVinci Resolve video editing softwares. You will also learn AI-powered editing techniques to speed up workflows and enhance creativity. You will also master social media video editing for engaging and viral content. You will also able to create high-quality course videos for educational and professional purposes. You will explore the future of AI in video editing and different type of automation tools. You will complete a real world project to build your portfolio and showcase your skills to different clients. Now we will see what are the target audience for our this course. So this course is targeted towards the beginners looking to start a career in video editing, content creators, influencers, and YouTubers wanting to improve their video quality through video editing or different techniques of storytelling. This course is for educators or online course creators needing professional editing lessons. This course is also targeted for freelancers and entrepreneurs who want to monetize video editing skills by learning them and equipping them with industry standard softwares and different techniques. This course is also targeted for professionals aiming to enhance their video production expertise. Now we will see about the value proposition of this course. So you will be having a question in your mind, why we take this course? So I will answer you with giving an example. As I already show you the different modules of our this course. So in this course, we are not just giving you theory, but we are also taking everything practically and walking you through each and every step of the video editing. We will start by introducing you towards video editing. If you have zero experience, zero knowledge about video editing, we will start with the module 1, which is basically starting video editing. What is video editing and all the different aspects related to videos and content. After that, we will teach you different video editing softwares. We will cover 5 different editing softwares, and whichever editing software you find best for your needs, or whichever the software you find yourself comfortable with, you can go for that software. And after the remaining modules, I will teach you how you can edit your social media videos, how you can edit your different type of YouTube videos, different type of course videos, how you can add AI into your video editing. And also I will give you a hands-on experience from taking a project from a client and delivering him an extraordinary video. So we will learn industry standard tools from beginners to professional level. Hands-on project-based approach to practical video editing covers AI enhanced video editing for faster and smarter workflow. Monetization strategies for freelancer and content creators, how you can monetize your skill to different freelancers or to content creators, how you can gain real world experience by completing a portfolio worthy project. Now you will be having a question that what are the job outlook for video editors. So video editing is one of the fastest growing careers in digital content creation. According to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics BLS, the demand for video editors is expected to grow 12% by 2030, as everyone is going digitally and they want different type of video editors to do their different video editing jobs. The rise of social media, online education, and AI powered content creation is driving the demand for skilled video editors. Freelance video editors can earn between $25 to $150 per hour depending upon their expertise. Full-time editors working in media, entertainment, and marketing can earn $50,000 to $100,000 plus dollars per year by doing video editing. AI powered editing and automation are reshaping the industry, making this the perfect time to gain in demand video editing skill. Now, if you want to know more on video editing, like, share, and subscribe for more.